Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel.
It's Aubryn
and Mackenzie.
And today we're going to be making a homemade bird's nest.
But before we get started, make sure you subscribe
And turn on the post notifications.
Also make sure you like this video.
Become a part of the Diamond Squad.
And without further ado, let's get right on to this video. Woo! Okay.
King of birds. You were making a nest for you? Oh, you did.
So right now
Hey, you were making a nest for you? Oh, you video.
But we're gonna find some like sticks and like little stuff.
What is
like, oh yeah, that would work. And like some mud and stuff and just, yeah, to make the nest, I guess. We are going to be making this for these lonely birds that are in the yard.
They're grabbing some stuff, so they must be trying to make a nest.
There's one by the trampoline.
What kind of a bird?
Whoa, that's a cool
Do you
bird.
see its head? It's like green.
Yeah.
It's like waddling.
I can't even see it. Oh, bye birdie. So everyone, we found these little things all around here. So we're gonna pick a few up and because we're by the woods here, so we have a bunch of sticks and we really just gotta find some like mud, or we're gonna make some mud, so yeah.
Okay guys, so we are just looking in this woods and we're trying to find
what we have so far.
just a bunch of like little thin twigs and stuff.
And we have a few leaves for inner coating.
Yeah, I've been watching the birds and they grab like little thin stuff like this and they like twine them together.
Oh, also, Aubryn has a nest at her house and she has baby birds. So this is our inspiration.
Yeah, we're trying to attract some baby birds and they use anything, honestly.
Yeah.
They use like human stuff. Like they use, I see like weird scraps in it sometimes, so that actually might work.
Maybe some yarn.
We could like,
Yeah, let's use that.
So
we just picked up a few. We're just gonna pick up a few more and then we're gonna make some wood and then, not wood, mud. But then we're also going to maybe find some yarn to like tie stuff together. I don't know.
yeah, I see a lot of birds with like yarn and stuff. They take like stuff and just,
yeah, just like scraps. So we're gonna see if this bird, it has like a weird neck.
yeah. And it wants to be with
the Robin's house, and then this is what her bird nest is. Oh, there's two babies and one unhatched one, but we found some of this stuff here.
yeah.
So
It's similar, so we're gonna go find some more and maybe.
yes, I want to show you guys the babies. Where should we put the? Everyone, we found the mama. It's right there and it's watching us right now.
Like honestly, it's not moving its eye like it.
It's like, oh my gosh. Everyone, we just solved a mystery, but there was a missing bird because there's 4, but now there's only 3.
I
And
swear I saw
this is right under the bird nest, and now there's.
Where's the other half?
Oh, why is that kind of cool? It's right under the bird nest. Oh, poor baby. Did the mom kill it?
No. Oh, here's the other half. What the heck?
Wait. Poor. Okay.
First off, how did that get
Yeah.
that separated?
Okay, everyone. Do you see the baby? It's right there. It's right in between the crack here. Oh, look at the baby. It's not focusing. Oh, look at the cute baby.
There's 2 little babies and 1 egg.
There should be 2 eggs. We found some of these from plants, and then we're just looking for dead stuff.
I think my mom planted tomatoes here, but the dead stuff we can take out.
Yeah. So just little stuff. So we found even more of this stuff. Honestly, just like on the ground and stuff.
Yeah.
So
collection.
we're just collecting everything, and then we're going to just dig up some dirt and put some water in it and just mold it. So we found where it is, and it's all this stuff, like this dead stuff. So we're gonna take a bunch of it just because this is what they actually probably use. Yeah. So we're gonna take a bunch of it, and I was wondering where this came. Yeah, it's all dead stuff. So just looking around. And, yeah, grabbed a lot.
Okay, so this is all we've gathered from the ground, yes, and everywhere. And now we're gonna get some mud and just like,
or dirt, and then just mix it with water probably.
form it into like a bowl shape, kind of. And
you guys will see.
Yes. Okay. So now we are going to find just like a little sand bucket to mix some dirt and make some muddy substances.
So we can like put all of it together and just kind of form it into a bowl, I guess.
Yeah. And
then we're probably gonna like sun bake it so it dries a little bit, and then put it up.
We don't want it gooey.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll show you what it looks like.
Now we're just gonna put some water in it and make it into mud. So mud, I think that's actually pretty good.
Yeah. We don't want any
Water.
It's kind of like making it.
It's like clay.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we got it. It's fine. Mix it up and we'll see you when we have our little setting. Okay, everyone, we have plates and for us to make it on. And then we have our scraps. And then we have our mud that it kind of looks like dirty. Yes, and yeah, so let's just, I think we're just gonna like almost like make it kind of like clay, I guess.
Yeah,
just kind of mold it everywhere. And okay,
maybe that's a little too thick.
So I think the first thing, we need to make like a bear for the bottom part, and we need to make the sides, right?
Okay.
So we're gonna like kind of shape it. So making kind of like a circular thing. It's like, just kind of put it together. Should we put some mud on it? And then just
like make it,
I'm just gonna, it'll make it like thicker.
I don't want
so
much.
Hopefully this, we don't know what really we're doing right now.
So just more? Or?
Yeah, just a little more. Yeah, that's good. We don't know what we're doing. It's the first time I've ever done something like this. Oh, it's cold.
Yeah, we're making it so the bird don't fall through.
Yes.
I don't know how the birds do that.
They fall through?
No,
I think we need a little bit more. Can't really like spread it around, so I wonder how wide this will be. We have no idea what we're doing, and this is a long video of us not. If this doesn't work out, the birds will be better than us anyways.
Well, that's because that's what they're meant to do. We already have a name. Wait, do we have a name for it?
No, we don't.
Oh.
We need to take a... Okay, we want it to be a girl, but if it ends up being a boy, I don't know. The boy, it needs to be unique, right?
Yeah.
I like...
Yeah, now add a little more, and that'll be the base.
It's kind of fun.
It looks so much easier than I thought it would.
I know. Oh, that is going to be like way more. I feel like we just need to like, okay, I don't think that leaf should be
And we need to like, yeah, and then
we need to like
when we have
compact
more, we need to like kind of make the edges, but like,
yeah.
No, this is gross, but
maybe we should make a little bit, maybe we should make it a little wider because we want more babies, right?
well, I don't think they'll care.
Yeah.
They can't put as, they can only do as much as they hold. So hopefully it's more than one.
Maybe, oh, sorry. Maybe I could, maybe we could just make the, yeah. Should we start making the sides?
Yeah.
We might need more of this stuff. I thought we had a lot.
I need to. Okay,
Well-
we're gonna go find some more stuff.
Yeah. So everyone, we are back and we got a lot more, like probably double the amount. So hopefully, as it goes, I'm kind of nervous, but I think we're gonna start building up the sides.
Yeah.
So maybe we should go like, I could go like this and then you just put it around. Yeah.
So like
Yeah.
some dirt.
And I'll just
Pick it up.
here.
Yeah, like,
Want it to be nice and thick, not sturdy.
and then when it dries, oops.
I mean, sturdy, not.
What are you trying to say?
I don't know. Oh.
I don't think we have enough mud.
Just
kidding, we have not.
We just took like a bunch of dirt. I feel like we should. How do the birds do this, honestly? I don't think I'm gonna go like this. Just gonna kind of build up the sides. Start on one side.
Just like that, and then have a little bird hole.
Wait, that would actually be way easier.
Yeah, and then
Well, we're already halfway.
Okay.
Might as well.
Is that working?
Yeah.
Okay.
We just need to have it dry.
You mean?
Like sunbathe.
Oh.
Okay. Honestly, I feel like this is the better way to go. Do you want to get this said?
Sure. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Ew.
Honestly, we're gonna get dirty anyways. If you guys like more like videos like this, make sure you guys, tell us this.
It's actually working, but we're gonna have to make it so much higher.
And we're gonna make it so much thicker. Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna turn it on.
Okay. So then, and I think it's gonna have to wait like probably an hour or whatever, so in the sun, so it can kind of dry out.
Oh, that'd be this.
Or it might even be overnight. I don't know. We'll have to see.
Yeah, we want it as dry as it can be.
Yeah.
It's gonna look not like a normal birdhouse, but
it'll look better than a birdhouse. You can't really see.
I know.
I'm kind of sorry, but we'll show you guys.
You can see that.
So it's kind of what it looks like right now. It almost looks like a deep dish pizza.
Or just a pile of mud, but...
Well, like the shape of it, like, because it's just nice and edge.
Now I want a deep dish pizza. I think we need
and I'm
to
sorry
make
there's like this noise, but
that always randomly comes on.
The worst time when we decide to film.
Oh yeah, sorry we didn't film on Monday.
Oh yeah, our video on Monday, we just wanted to take like a weekend off or something. And it was like really crappy and it was raining.
Yeah,
so we couldn't really film outside. We can only really film outside. So that's why. We're thinking about doing like lastly, but it's still a little bit colder. And it's like really inconsistent, so
it needs to start getting to the 80s.
I know. Once it does, then hopefully it can. I feel like I'm just squishing it up. Like, have you ever made a pottery bowl when you take the circle and then you just kind of,
yeah.
I love those. It's so fun. Oh, it's kind of what
it's not working, but it's working. Like
it's like not, but then it is.
I know you. I just.
So everyone, we just finished and we just washed our hands off. And basically, for what you guys just saw, we went off camera and about like 10 minutes probably later, we just were making it thicker on the edges and making them higher.
Yeah.
It looks basically the same. I mean, it looks a little different, but it's just thicker and I think more sturdy. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's probably like an inch and a half thick. Can't really tell, but there's a lot of mud. We still have a lot of extra material, which we didn't think. We thought we need more. We used most dirt, I guess. Yeah. So yeah, that's what it looks like.
A pretty good one.
Yeah. So we're gonna go let it sit in the sun and dry, probably for like an hour or until it dries. And then I guess we'll probably just. How heavy is it?
I don't know. It's pretty heavy though, like heavier than I thought it'd be. Okay.